Ever wondered how to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and start a successful freelancing career? Well, today we dive into the ins and outs of getting started as a freelancer and making a living online. So what is freelancing? Simply put, it's an opportunity to sell your skills and talents directly to clients. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, or a social media guru, there's a market for your skills. To start your freelancing journey, follow these simple, actionable steps. First and foremost, identify your skills. Ask yourself, what am I good at? What do I enjoy doing? The answers to these questions will guide you in determining the services you can offer as a freelancer. Next, create an online presence. A professional website, a LinkedIn profile, or a portfolio on freelancing platforms can showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Remember, the first impression matters. Make sure your online presence reflects your professionalism. Now, on to the third step, setting your rates. This might seem tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Consider the time you'll spend on a project, your level of expertise, and the going rates in your industry. Don't undervalue your work. Remember, you're offering a service that requires specific skills and expertise. The fourth step involves finding clients. There are numerous ways to do this. You can start by reaching out to your network, or you can use freelancing platforms. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for their skills. Another way is through cold pitching, where you reach out directly to potential clients. Lastly, always deliver quality work. This builds trust with your clients and ensures repeat business. It also improves your reputation, leading to referrals and more clients. This journey to freelancing might seem daunting, but remember, every successful freelancer started from scratch. It's all about taking the first step and staying consistent. To summarize, here are the key steps to kickstart your freelancing career. 1. Identify your skills. 2. Create an online presence. 3. Set your rates. 4. Find clients. And 5. Deliver quality work. By following these steps, you can successfully transition into freelancing and earn a living online. It's a journey that requires patience, resilience, and continuous learning. But the reward? The freedom to work on your terms, wherever, whenever. So, get out there. Identify your skills, build your online presence, set your rates, find your clients, and deliver top-notch work. Your freelancing career awaits. If you're serious about kickstarting your freelancing career and want more in-depth training, we've got something special for you. Our Freelancing Masterclass is designed to equip you with the tools, strategies, and insights you need to excel in the freelancing world. Not only will you gain a deeper understanding of each step we've discussed today, but you'll also learn advanced techniques to stand out in the competitive market. What's more, this masterclass is absolutely free and can be attended right from the comfort of your home. Imagine learning everything you need to know about freelancing without even stepping out of your door. Plus, we will also teach you how to outsource work effectively, multiplying your earnings while freeing up your time. So, if you're ready to fast-track your journey to becoming a successful freelancer, this is your chance. Click the link in the description and attend our free freelancing masterclass, How to Start a Freelancing Business from Home and Outsource All the Work. Your future as a freelancer awaits. All right, you've made it this far. We've talked about the basics of freelancing, how to start your journey, and even introduced our comprehensive freelancing masterclass. But what's next? It's time to take action. Your future as a successful freelancer starts now. We understand that taking the first step can be daunting, but remember, every successful freelancer started where you are right now. So are you ready to take the leap? If you're serious about mastering freelancing and are eager for more in-depth training, we've got the perfect opportunity for you. Click the link in the description and sign up for our free freelancing masterclass. Learn how to start a freelancing business from home and outsource all the work. Remember, the world of freelancing is vast and full of potential. It's up to you to tap into it. So, let's do this together. Click the link, join the masterclass, and let's start building your future today. Your journey as a successful freelancer starts now.